The clothes you already own are more valuable than you think. A torn knee, a lost button, a rough hem. These aren't reasons to give up on a garment. They're invitations to create. The Levi's Wear Longer project is here to give you practical repair skills to help you keep the pieces you love longer. Because one of the things you can do for your closet and the planet is learning to work with what you've got. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Tommy. I'm on the retail and brand marketing team at Levi's. I'm going to teach you how to fix a tear. Here's what you'll need. Today we're going to fix a tear on the sleeve of a trucker jacket, a pretty typical place for a tear to happen. I'm going to assess the tear. If the hole was bigger or there was pieces of fabric missing, we would have to do a different type of repair. I'm shaving the loose thread so it's a little easier to stitch and they don't get caught in any parts of the process. Then I take straight pins and I'm going to secure the fabric. Also, this creates a really strong base for you to sew, so that way the seam isn't crooked, you're not getting ripples in your sewing. And you can always put the garment down, make sure it's flat. You don't have to do it all in one quick step. You can take your time with this. Sometimes I use chalk too to create lines to help do the straight pins, especially for those bigger tears. It's optional. And then also with dark fabric, it also helps you really understand where you're going to be putting the needle in and out. Definitely optional to use. Now we're going to thread a needle. So you want to get your thread. So I always measure the length of my arm. And then you're going to be able to have a good amount of thread that will be able to complete the project. Then we're going to use our snippets or scissors and cut thread. We're going to use a fun red today because I feel like it'll give it a little personalization, make it feel a little bit more special. When I'm wearing the garment again, you'll get your needle and then I thread it through the top of the needle. Sometimes it's a little difficult and you'll have to give it a couple tries. Now you're going to put the two ends together of the thread. The needle's hanging, so it's secure there. And you're going to create a knot and tie it off. To fix this tear, we're going to use a whip stitch today. It really helps bind the tear together closely. You're going to want to start about 1/8 of an inch away from the tear because you don't want to do it right at the start of the tear. And the whip stitch is great. It's basically going over the two seams to bring them together over and over again. And that's why I love using color. It creates a fun element when doing the repair. It gives it a little attitude and uniqueness. To make sure that it doesn't ripple, you're gonna make sure it's tight. You're gonna give it a little tug, but then you're gonna use your hands behind here and you're just gonna flatten it out every so often just to make sure that you're not creating that ripple effect. But you also don't want it too loose. Sometimes I have to poke my needle up a couple times just to make sure it's entering in the right place. This doesn't have to look perfect. It gives it a unique look. Sometimes your thread will break. If that happens, no biggie. You're going to cut it to make the end clean, and you're gonna tie it off and then rethread another needle and start over. But you don't have to start over in terms of like pulling everything out. You just have to make sure it's tied off. You'll start from where the thread broke off, so that way you're not having to start all over again. But now that I've finished stitching that, I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to secure and tie off the end. I like to knot it twice just to make sure it's extra secure. And then you can use scissors or snippets and cut it off. Then you get to take the pins out. Step 5. Press the repaired area gently with an iron to flatten it. Check your work by tugging lightly along the seam to make sure it holds. And now we fixed a tear.